What's up, guys? My name is Dalton, and together my wife and I, we run the Community Card Playbook, which is basically a conglomerate of shared advertising methods that we teach. And today we're going to be talking about one called community boards, and this is what one looks like, and you can make about $3,000 profit per board. So today, Rachel and I are going to break down how you exactly can do the same process.
All right, guys, if you're here, it's because you want to learn of another shared advertising method that can actually make you $3,000 with less than half the advertisers of a community card. So Dalton is going to ask me questions about what it is and how you do it so that we can kind of walk through that process.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and just dive right into this. My name's Dalton. This is Rachel. We run the Community Card Playbook, and this is just another form of shared advertising, like she said, that we've taken on to help local businesses become more inundated with the community and really just figure out how you can provide value to others. So, with the community board, let's kind of talk about at the beginning of the video, I showed a little clip about what a community board is. But Rachel, maybe you can just describe to the audience of why this is important and what it looks like again.
Yeah, so it's a huge 2 foot by 3 foot, so 24 by 36 inches. It's a board, it's a thin, like metal material, and you can actually write specials on it. So I know you guys have all been to coffee shops and restaurants where you see a board at the front and they got their specials written on it for the day. And so it's sort of like bright marker. So that's exactly what this is. Um, we'll get into kind of like the host location in a minute, but let me just say this for describing sake. At the top of the board, it is branded to the host location. So let's say this board is being placed inside of Bob's Pizza. It will have Bob's Pizza's logo at the top. And then at the bottom, there are 6 advertisers. So 6 local businesses that sit on that board inside of Bob's Pizza.
Very cool. Yeah, so let's say like you walked into a business, like what are you looking for in order to know that it's a right fit for the business to have one of these boards? And if you should go ahead and pitch the board.
So basically, all it is you're looking for high foot traffic. So restaurants are number one. Coffee shops are up there too. Something like a gym, a laundromat, even waiting rooms of like doctors' offices. We've seen people do them there. So anywhere where there's high foot traffic and people kind of hang out for a while.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's so true. It's a really good spot in terms of like at the beginning I know you talked about there is some local sponsorships at the bottom. Like what's the value of the local sponsors being on the board?
Yeah, so think of it this way. It's exactly like a billboard, but inside of, let's say, a restaurant. And let's say Bob's Pizza gets 7,000 customers a month, then those 7,000 customers are also then viewing all of these ads on this board. So it's super, super similar to the whole billboard concept.
Yeah, no, that's really cool, especially if they like write their specials or events or any type of messaging that they want to get put out there for eyes to be directly attracted to. I know you said it goes on like a podium or you can hang it on a wall. And why it's so important to put local sponsors on it is because their eyes are already looking there. And if you have this board up a long time, you almost train your customers to immediately know to look there. Like, hey, maybe something is handwritten, it can be erased. Maybe there's something I should read on this board that might be important, whether it's a daily special, they have an event coming up, anything like that. So you're getting the advertisers on the board like so much exposure, and that's what these boards are really for. And it's so cool that this is able to do that. So I know you talked a little bit about you're able to make $3,000 profit on this board. So like walk me through a little bit in terms of like, is that with six, seven, eight advertisers? I know the community card playbook, you have to do about 16 if you're doing all single spots. But in relation to how much work it is to get the sponsors for this, like what's kind of been the difference?
Yeah, so I'll like run through the whole process super quickly because the whole process is really quick. So you find your host location gets the board for free. So if it's going inside of a local restaurant, a gym, they get the board for free, branded to them, completely free to use. and then you only need six sponsors to make that $3,000 profit. So that's the key piece here that we love, and all of our members who are doing this love, that the community card, we know there's 16. And with this, the way it's kind of laid out and the fact that it stays up for a year, you only need six people to make that $3,000 profit. And just to tell you like how cool this is on the postcards, we always say once you fill half the card, you're at break even. Well, once you fill one spot on this board, you're at break even. You're actually profiting more, or you're making more on one spot sold than what it costs you to get the board printed. So you only need one person to get this board completely done.
That's really cool. So in reality, you only need to find one business to say yes to host the board, and then all you need is find one business to sponsor the board, and you're no money out of pocket, and you've got a couple $100 in your pocket, and you got to help two local business owners. That's really cool. So for my next question is, how does somebody who's not in our community access this portion, and kind of what do they need to do to move forward?
So if you are not in our community, we do ask that you join our community first. And then actually, once you sign up, there's a page that it takes you to next where you can purchase the board course. But like I said, you do have to be an ongoing member of our community in order to access that. And if you already are a member and you don't have this yet, then it's within the learning section of the community and you can access it.
Yeah, and what we do is we actually we'll print out a board when you sign up for this, and we'll send you a free demo board that makes prospecting so much easier. And if you want to invest in getting markers to write on it, the markers that we recommend are $8. So really easy thing to get started, and then we give you every bit of tools that you need, scripts, the processes. We do the printing here, and we can ship it straight to you wherever you want. So we make this really simple, and we break down the entirety of it to it. So you guys pretty much just sign up, read, watch some videos, and you are in, ready to start prospecting and make your 3 grand.
Yep, and typically those demo boards arrive in like less than a week. I think the longest I've seen one take so far to arrive is like 7 or 8 days. So from the time you purchase the course, you will get that demo board at your door, the same exact one that Dalton showed at the beginning of this video, except it doesn't say Missoula, of course. It just says support local businesses. So
Yeah.
that way it's generic, not city specific. You can take it around your town and start prospecting. So that's what's really cool about it. All of our members who have purchased it absolutely love receiving the demo board. They actually say that it's like bigger and cooler in person than they
Yep.
expected. So it's a really neat piece that we like to send out to everybody who purchases.
Yeah. So if anybody's looking to, maybe you're on the fence or you have questions, or you're just curious and you want to learn more, I mean, you can go check out the community card playbook. We'll put the link in the description. And then the access to this is also in that same link. We'd be excited to have you. Rachel, do you have anything to add about the community boards that you think would bring anybody to value? Or maybe if they're on the fence, maybe this would, provide some clarity.
Yeah, so one of the really cool things about these boards is you actually tap into the network and the referrals of the host location. So let's say we're working with Bob's Pizza on this board. You get to ask Bob, hey, who do you know that you recommend be on this board? So the course kind of dives deeper into that, but I do want to point that out that you're already working with four referrals and you only need six people to say yes. So even if you get three referrals and they want to hop on the board, you're 50% done with who the host location recommended you reach out to. So that's really cool. I think that that's one of the most unique pieces about this. Just despite the fact that you only need six people to make 3 grand, but I wanted to point that out.
Very cool. Thanks for sharing, Rachel. Hopefully, this brings some clarity around what a community board is. This is definitely a different path to take than the actual community cards, but it is another form of shared advertising. And what Rachel and I have done have actually found a way to pair the two and to leverage value in both. So hopefully, those that join the community card playbook also come in and learn how we did that and actually follow the same process we did. Other than that, check the show notes. Thanks for watching, and appreciate your time.